As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q1200 grill, right? Both propane but seem pretty different.
Exactly. The Char-Broil is definitely bigger. It boasts 280 square inches of cooking space compared to the Weber's 189. So if you're grilling for a bigger crowd, the Char-Broil might be better.
True. And it also has a side burner. That's handy for sauces or sides. The Weber doesn't have that, does it?
Nope, no side burner. But the Weber is way more portable. It's lighter, only 30 pounds compared to the Char-Broil's 37.5, and it's designed for using those small, disposable propane cylinders. Perfect for tailgating or camping, you know?
Yeah, I see that. The Char-Broil is more of a stay-at-home grill. What about heat output?
The Char-Broil puts out 20,000 BTUs with its 2 burners, while the Weber has 8,500 BTU on a single burner. But remember, smaller area could mean the Weber grill gets just as hot.
Okay, gotcha. And the grates?
Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates. Weber goes with porcelain enameled cast iron. Cast iron retains heat better, so that's a plus for the Weber.
Right, makes sense. What about build quality? I always hear Weber is top-notch.
Weber usually has the edge there, and the customer reviews suggest that is the case here. People say the Weber is really well built. The Char-Broil, some people had assembly issues and mixed opinions on the build.
Okay. What about price?
The Char-Broil is significantly cheaper at $139. The Weber is $259. So, big price difference.
So basically, if you want a larger, cheaper grill with a side burner and don't care too much about portability, the Char-Broil is the way to go. But if you want something portable, well-built, and with better heat retention, even if it's smaller and more expensive, the Weber is the better choice. Right?
Exactly. It all depends on your needs and budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.